Well, good evening, YouTube channel. This is Belmont here. And this is going to be a shorter impromptu video. My internet, well, Wi-Fi, seems to be making me stand up just to get a signal. So, this might not be uploaded straight away. But in the interim, I am bringing you some of my other sets of handcuffs and leg shackles. So, starting off, I have some Chinese leg shackles that I picked up from my former job back when I was in North Carolina called Railroad Video. They were an adult video store, novelty store, and I worked third shift there. And I decided to pick up a set of leg shackles for alternative means. And I figured they went really well with my sword, so. I worked there in 2005, so I don't know if JF is a popularized brand, but its keyways are on opposite sides of each other, so not quite like another set of handcuffs. They are, of course, made in China, so they were pretty cheap, but they've been very effective for last 15 years. They've got quite a bit of strength, and they've held, well, never mind. Okay. This was my first pair of handcuffs. They don't have a name on them. I believe I paid maybe about 20 bucks back in 2000. These are also shimmable, improvised, key pickable as well. And so are these. The key weighs a little bit tighter than the more shinier ones. And these have a lot of wear and tear on them as well because, well, what else do people use handcuffs for? Moving along, here's an even older set of handcuffs. These are actually my oldest set of handcuffs that I got when I was a kid. Yeah, it's hard to imagine. Belmont, you were a kid? Wow. And yeah, let's first off say these are really, really fucking old. In fact, if you can see the serial number on these, 769559. These are really old issue police handcuffs. And this is its lock. And these are also improvised tool pickable. In fact, they're more easily pickable than the newer handcuffs. And they are made from very strong steel. The chain is longer, it's thicker. And they've been through some, well, they've been through some things. This was before I picked up conventional police handcuffs. And it does have a W with 3 dots inside of a square. It is deeply stamped, and it also has the stop on there. Now, since these have been through some years, let me think. I think I got these when I was 10, and I first started trying to pick open handcuffs. Granted, I wasn't very successful with it, and I used I think a very small thin fork at the beginning, and I saw it done on TV, shit they used to have come on primetime TV in the evenings, back when it was ABC, CBS, Fox, NBC. You know how it is. Back in the days of rabbit ear antennas. But if anyone, including my good friend Taku of Mayhem Keys, can identify the brand here, then I'd graciously appreciate it. Or if you're able to look for this serial number on them, tell me where they might have came from originally. Now, granted, I was living in North Carolina as a kid, and it was a small county, but I think I might have picked these up from a, it's like a thrift store, but they're more like garage tools and everything else. Place might have been called Sykes's. I don't know, but these have been around for a while with me. And I have successfully picked them open and even used just a piece of straight pin on the old-fashioned. So, I hope you enjoyed the video. Feel free to like, share, comment, or even subscribe if you choose. And I do apologize for the inability to upload on a timely manner, especially when it comes to, well, having to fight with your phone to get a Wi-Fi signal that stays in one place. It's honestly like moving a Geiger counter around. All right. See you next time.